they just bought Sims. It was on sale for $99. Man, what a weird sign of the time.
Hi guys, I hope mko salama. Welcome to my channel. It's Saturday morning and I want to clean my bedroom. My bedroom is very messy and I just want to clean, dust and arrange before I head out. I want to go to Kamukunji with a friend. Yeah, so that's the plan for the day. I just want to clean, out. Hey, I feel like it's been a while. It's been like a week. I usually clean on Saturdays, so I just want to clean and also wash my sheets, guys.
Need to keep busy, trying to eat the hours away. Who knew that I like Milky Way? Wake up, I'm ready to go, yeah. Feeling so good in control, yeah. And think of the places I could be, so I give up and watch TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. The world is upside down and I'm turning inside out. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together.
So guys, I just soaked my clothes and my sheets. Basically, I usually prefer washing my sheets. Yes, I have a nanny, but I prefer washing my sheets. Yeah, that's what I prefer. Now I have this carpet that I'm turning between washing it right now or just dusting it because it's a bit dirty. Yeah, I don't really like this carpet. I am looking for another carpet because this carpet, even when you wash it, haitokangi utoto particles tudogo. So when I go to Kamukunji today, I might have to check if I can get something else that is better, because this one, honestly, I would not recommend it at all. Actually, so someone saying even vacuuming it is very hard. I'm planning to get a vacuum cleaner very soon. Tunaenda polepole. So as I think about cleaning, guys, I want to thank God for this far that we've come. Having to see December is a miracle in itself, and I'm so grateful to God. Nimekuwa so busy with work, but yeah, at least we are seeing the end of the year with our loved ones. At some point we lost some, but we're still grateful to God for giving us life. And yeah, this month is basically a gratitude month for me, thanking God about everything. So even for you, just think about the things that God has done for you and thank him. Just thank him. Sometimes you might have maybe umekuwa na mwaka ngumu, but the little things that we forget about, the air in our lungs, good health, is all about God. It's all about God, and we need to be grateful. So I just want to finish cleaning up, and then I'm going to come back to you guys and just show you how the room looks like. I have a hack though at the end of the video. I saw it on this lady. She's called Terry Kinywa. My duvet is white and I prefer having a duvet cover on it. So there's this hack that honestly putting a duvet cover was the hardest thing for me. So I just want to show you guys how to put the duvet cover very easily. Yeah, so let me clean up and then I'll see you badai, guys. I'll see you badai. This carpet, it's not the best.
Slow, again I'm staring at my phone. Yesterday feels a year ago. Wake up, I'm ready to go, yeah. Feeling so good in control, yeah. Then think of the places I could be, so I give up and watch TV. I think
another messy place in this bedroom is this shoe rack, because husband keeps adding shoes, like he keeps buying shoes, and that, see, just see how dusty it was. You can see it's not even showing. I know you can see from a distance. So my husband keeps adding shoes, so let's try and arrange it. That's the same place that I put my mafuta. Unfortunately, our houses are big, but the storage in these houses, it's crappy. It's crappy. Trust me. No, that's a very strong word. Basically, the wardrobes in these houses are not the best, so they just have the space for the clothes only. So even for when I got my baby, I had to buy a wardrobe. Because the wardrobes just have the hanging place, na place moja ya kuweka nguo. Like, it's not the best. Even the kitchen, we had to add a shelf basically. So hizi nyumba by then after how I don't know where I'm going to shift to, but I need to shift from Juja. It's become a bit hectic for me going to Wilson. So kama unajua maform za kupata how, please I need a house somewhere close to Wilson, or somewhere where I can access Wilson very close, like very fast, because coming from Juja I have to travel. I have to travel for very long, guys. I have to travel. Like, Mommy, yeah, baby? What are you doing? I'm wiping the seats. What are you doing? I'm wiping the seat. Are you going to help me? What, yeah, so guys, even though kuko hizi nyumba ni kubwa sana by the way, I really love them, but storage is a fail. That's yeah? That's for daddy, mama. Guys, do you prefer mopping the house with this duster ama na ile mopping ingine? Mi hii ndo huslap kabisa. Ingine mi wana na waste time. I'm wasting time. Guys, with our storage issues, we also have this ottoman that really helps with keeping beddings and towels. Yeah, the room is clean now. I'm just going to go do my go take breakfast, and then actually I want to go wash the sheets, and then I'll come later, make my bed. Yeah, and that will be it, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I left my sheets to soak in the fabric softener. That's why it's inakaa hivyo. So this is the hack I use, since I don't want to wring the water so much. But this mostly works when you're washing a duvet. If you're hand washing a duvet, you can just put your duvet in this and it will let out the water through the holes, and then when you're unayanika, it won't have a lot of water. So I'm going to put the sheets here, and then nitaiweka kama inalala so that it leaks off the water. Is that the word? Ndo itoe maji yote, and then it's going to be easy kuanika because they are a bit ni nyingi kidogo, so it makes them inafanya maji itoke, but mostly works for duvets. When you're hand washing a duvet, use this hack. After umemaliza kufua, unaweka duvet hapa ndani, ina drain maji kama yote, and then it's easy to anika. You know how heavy duvets are, so that's how you do it. So let me just do it and then nianike mbio mbio. It's right now it's around 11:36. so that I can make my bed and then later go to Kamkunji. I leave it for some few minutes so that the water can drain. The water drains easily. If it was a duvet, you could have seen the effect, but at least for these ones, I don't know, yeah, it's going to make them dry faster as we manifest washing machines, guys. I'm manifesting a washing machine, guys, by the way. I'm hoping to get one very soon. Yeah, so let it soak. And I just remembered I have a carpet to clean. A carpet to clean. Gosh. So now this is what we do. No. Actually, even do this. So guys, nimemwagiliwa maji imespill, and this is now the end of this video. But before I end the video, nilikuwa nimewaambia I'm going to show you a hack on how to easily put a duvet cover inside a duvet inside a duvet cover. So here's my duvet cover. So what you do, you put your you lay down your duvet cover inside out. I know there's some light coming from huko nyuma. So you lay your duvet cover inside out like so. Let me just show you. You lay it inside out, and then you put your duvet on top of it, like just the way it should be, like juu yake. So guys, once you have your duvet placed on your duvet cover, you want to roll it all the way up. So for this one, you stuff it all in like so. Let me make it closer. For this one, it's not open to the end, so you have to force it in. Oops. Like so. Yeah, it's a bit hard because it's not open to the edges, but once you do that, we unroll it. Like just tuanishe hadi mwisho. This duvet cover is slightly today the hack isn't hacking, guys. But there we go. There you have it. Yep, that's it. It's that simple. So you roll it, then hapa kwa mdomo unaiuntuck and then roll it, unroll it. So simply that. Ooh. So thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate your time, and thank you so much for those who have subscribed. To my new subscribers, asanteni sana. Sasa I want to call a friend, my friend, nijue tunaenda Kamukunji saa ngapi. So it's around 12 if I'm not wrong.